Today I'm going to compare and contrast two credit card covers from CUCU covers and Flex covers. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I have in my hand here credit card covers, and these are vinyl decals you can put on your credit cards. You can get them in different patterns, different styles, with different graphics. You can even upload your own designs, and these two here are at least the only two companies that make credit card specific covers. So vinyl decals like you would put on your phone or your iPad or your laptop. And I wanted to show these to you because I got them because they were slightly different in the way that they manufactured them, and I wanted to see what those differences are. So CUCU covers, I think, is based here in the United States, and I have bought covers from them before. In fact, you can see my old video about this, and this is actually the one I bought. It's a Blockbuster card here. You can get it with the little punched out window there so that your SIM chip is still visible. This one here is by Flex Designs, and I think they're based out of Australia. So I ordered these because they both offered the Blockbuster membership card. You remember when you had to pay $10 for this bad boy? But it's basically the same design here. However, they use at least two different materials. So CUCU covers uses this kind of shiny material, very common if you've ever put on a decal on any other accessory, but Flex Designs uses this matte finish, which I actually really like. I like the fact that it's a little bit less glossy, right? Now, I will say that obviously you can see there are some color differences. This looks much richer, brighter, more vibrant. I mean, just looks like an actual Blockbuster card, and even that shiny finish gives it a little bit of that laminated look, like they would run them through those laminators. This one just looks like a lighter blue to me, like almost a Honolulu blue, you know, if you're a Detroit Lions fan, which you should be. And the yellow here looks pretty good, but I don't know why the blue looks so light when it should be kind of this deep royal. Now, if you were just to have this in hand without another one next to it, it still looks pretty good. I mean, I like that, and I like the low reflectivity, but then when you put it next to this one just strikes me as much more nostalgic because, as far as I remember, these are kind of more of the colors that you would see everywhere. So, two differences there. Now, the other difference here is that I think the Flex Design covers are a little bit cheaper. However, they took forever to arrive, and I think that's probably because they are being manufactured overseas and then shipped here. This one took, I don't know, maybe 7 to 10 days, but this one took darn near a month, 3+ weeks to get, and I kept looking, and the tracking number was like an Australian parcel tracking number, and so I couldn't really track it, and then one day it showed up. So, a couple of differences here. I think the matte finish on this I really like. The color representation on the CUCU covers I like a little bit better, and I really love the fact that you're not waiting on CUCU covers. They are coming relatively quickly here. So, just two different covers. You can get the one that suits your needs best. If you want low reflectivity, maybe a little more subtle, your own custom design, this might be the way to go. But if you want something off the shelf, out of their inventory, right away, then this is a great way to go. I'll put links to both of these in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out!
We can discover more and explore so much deeper.